Okay, this is a 29LX tune-up report with a Mosfet final and a receipt modifications. Over here, Ed, this is for Ed in Georgia. Over here, Ed, we got 6-watt dead key. And over here on a 50-watt slug, we're looking at audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, audio, check, check, check. Just under 40 watts, maybe 38, and on the O-scope here, audio, check, 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 1, go, audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, audio, check, check, check. Looking pretty good. Let's put it on the air. See if anyone's out here wants to talk to us real quick. Breaker 19 for radio check. Hasn't been anyone on the channel this morning. I appreciate you coming back to me. Where you at there, Han? I can't make you out there, Han. Your audio's kind of low.
I'm out here by ceramic tile right here off of 95, right here in Pompano.
All right, don't worry. That was good, loud audio right there. Sounding good. Thanks a lot, man. Commercial and Dixie, screwdriver. We're back out.